Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Sons of Henrey Georgs in Walnut Museum calf. This is my first Sons of Henrey shoe with leather soles, and I'm really excited to take a look and see what they're all about. Hey, I've organized all my playlists on this channel so that you're able to easily find different types of shoes, different brands of shoes, as well as finding all my shoe battles, worth the price shoe reviews, etc., all in one place. Enjoy. Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today something really cool. So tomorrow I'm going to be releasing on my channel an interview that I did with Tom Brown, who is the founder of Sons of Henrey Shoes. And as I was reviewing and editing the video, I decided that I really wanted to try a pair of his shoes that had leather soles. I have a pair of Sons of Henrey Georgs, which is in Utah calf and has day-night soles. And I've seen on the forums people just rave about the leather soles that are on their shoes. So I really wanted to give one a try. So getting ahead of the Black Friday sales, which I probably shouldn't have done, but I did because I was just anxious. I decided to pick up this pair of shoes. So this is an unboxing. The direction is there, and that's what they name the shoe. Let's get started. So on the top of the is a nice polishing cloth that are included in their shoes. I've used this before from my other Sons of Henrey, and they're quite nice. It's a really nice polishing cloth. No lint, which is great. And then they have matching bags to it as well, which is also very nice. Now, I chose to get a Georgs, which is just like the one that I have, but I elected to get this one in a museum calf because I currently have only one pair of museum calf shoes. And so this is also in a brown museum calf. During the interview, which we'll post tomorrow on Thanksgiving Day, you'll hear that one of the things that got Tom into shoemaking was his love of quality leather and and craftsmanship, and so his focus on leather is part of what led me to try a museum calf. Museum calf can be either really good or really bad. I had a couple pairs of J. Fitzpatrick shoes, which are great shoes, but one pair had some open pores on the leather, and the other pair was totally fine, right? And that's not something that the shoemaker can necessarily tell. Then I got a pair of Trickers, and it was completely different. The leather didn't even crease for all intents and purposes. So a very, very different experience. So I'm really anxious to see the quality of the leather on this. You can see that there's a fair amount of fudging on the edge. The toe and the apron are just like the other Georgs, okay, which is really nice. You can see they've got the logo on the inside of the shoe there, okay? And then you have this sole. So it's a blind stitch sole, no toe plates, no nails, no anything like that. And you've got these long rows of nails there. So pretty exciting. Now I also elected to try this in a size down. My foot has continually been shrinking a little bit. And on the Georgs that I have, the derby facing closes all the way. While the shoe fits the rest of my foot, I thought that this would be a good opportunity for me to try it in a lower size and see whether or not I can tolerate it from a width perspective, because I have a very low or shallow forefoot here. And I have a regular instep, so it's kind of this, maybe even a low instep. So I'm kind of experimenting here, as we do, to try to get better with it. Now you'll see that this is a 270-degree weld, but you'll also see that heel is not shaved super tight to the to the back, but it is tight, and certainly as you look at these, you can tell this is a high quality shoe. And for the €375 price point, it's not a very expensive shoe. So actually $375 price point. It's a great opportunity. I think it was actually less than that because I didn't have to pay taxes in Europe, but I have to pay taxes here. So it all goes around and comes around. So anywho, that is the left shoe. They do come with spare laces, which is exceptional. I'm really very pleased with that. And you used to be able to take that for granted that all shoes came with spare laces, but they don't anymore, especially not the big brands. So again, you have this here, and just look at that patina. They do such a nice job on this museum calf. It almost looks a little tiger stripe-ish. It's got a really good modeling there. It's very, very beautiful. And you know, this isn't the best lighting. I've got a couple ring lights right in front of me to try to make sure that it's there, but we have no sun in Wisconsin this week, so we're making do with what we have. And so here you go. Again, take a closer look at that sole. Now, so I'm looking forward to this. I'm really looking forward to seeing the how the sole breaks and how it feels going on. You know, I'm including a link to the website. They've got a great sale going on now that I didn't take advantage of, which is 30% off. So definitely give them a look and let me know what you think. I can say without hesitation that I recommend Sons of Henrey. Again, I'm not paid by them. I have no incentive on this. I don't get free shoes, but you know, I really like the brand. The quality of the shoes that I've got are great. The October 10th that they do in collaboration with them, also fantastic. And I have another pair of those on the way. So check it out. Let me know what you think. And thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it.